Hi, welcome to the Reclaim Me channel, where we discuss different data recovery aspects. In this video I will show you how to recover files deleted by mistake. This is the most popular case of data loss. The recovery result depends on many factors, like how much time has passed from the moment you deleted a file to the moment you decided to recover it. How the device was filled with data, what file system was used in the device, and so on. When recovering data from a memory card or USB flash drive, it matters how full the device was. Usually in these devices, FAT file system is used. This file system often fragments the large files. The recovery of fragmented files is impossible because the information about the location of file fragments is lost immediately once you delete a file. When you are recovering data from the internal PC hard drive, the first thing you should do is to check the recycle bin. If the file is still there, just right-click on it to restore it. If there is no file in the recycle bin, you should try to recover it using special data recovery software like Reclaim Me File Recovery. If the lost data was stored on the network attached storage device, the recovery process differs significantly. If you need the detailed tutorial on how to do this, please click here. The most important rule when you recover deleted files from whatever device is to stop using the device once you realize that you deleted something important, because every new file you write to the device may overwrite previously deleted one. The recovery of overwritten data is impossible. So I will show you how to recover deleted files using this external hard drive as an example. Here is my disk, here is my data, and now I am going to delete a couple of photos. Let it be this photo and this. Now let's try to recover them. Open a browser. Type in www.reclaimme.com. Download the software. Install it and run. Choose the drive in the available devices list and click Start. The software starts immediately bringing the data. To easily find deleted files, use Search function. Here you can enter the file name, its status, deleted or normal, and last modification date. I checked this box, Find files deleted today. Here are my deleted files. To copy the files, buy a license key. The key is lifetime, so you will be able to use it in future, in different devices and even in different computers. One more note, check carefully where you are going to copy the recovered data. Under any circumstances, do not choose the device from which you recovered these files. And now we are done. If you like our videos, subscribe to the Reclaim Me channel. Reclaim Me team was with you. See you soon!